is a small bathroom that usually our guests use. We use it often too, so it gets a lot of traffic. And I'm always trying to keep it nice, clean, and also kind of up to date with the season. This table is right by the door, so as you walk in, it's the very first thing you see. And the bathroom is light blue with gold trims. It has a pewter silk curtain, which I have tied it the other side so you can see it, and also a very large wooden frame mirror on one wall. So the main colors of the bathroom are blues and golds. So when I try to use the accent pieces, I go with the seasonal look. So we have hot weather coming, usually flowers, plants, and shells, soaps that smell very good. For this one, my first look, I have some yellow flowers in a crystal vase and a dish with soaps in the shape of coral and fish and shells with a candle in the middle. So you can easily change the color of the candle and the shells, and the whole thing would look different. So that's one look. Then I'll have a small, very simple pot. Because it's the warm season, I'm keeping everything cool and fresh. And I'm going to put small accent pieces around it. All blues and some brown. Okay. I love plants. This is an easy plant to take care of. And I have chosen this because it has a nice, cool summer look to it. And I'm going to keep the blue accent pieces. Add a lot of color with these color rocks. Nice and cool. Make it really summery. Make you think of the beach. I have a whole plate of shells. And that should be enough by itself. That's it, summer. And you can easily put a candle right in the middle. You can even go with a blue candle. I didn't have a blue candle to show you, but this will work. You can change your plant to a small pewter. If you have fresh flowers at home, or just clip some from your flowering plants, and to even make it look prettier when you have guests coming. Put it next to your sink. That's it. Just remember the colors you're working with, and then go with the season you're in. It just makes everything look very nice and fresh.